On the edges, things are incredibly like accurate, right? Let me just turn down the music because the music is quite melancholic. But you can see on the edges how accurate the colors are in comparison to others. So I've seen demos of this from other light bars on the background, and I can feel that you can definitely see spots that are black or maybe like completely white. And here you can definitely see, like, you know, a little bit more green on that side, a little bit more white on that side. Looks absolutely beautiful, and it's accurate and it's fast as well, right? And another thing that this one does as well is that when there is no color, if it's black, it kind of switches off completely. I think other ones, based on what I remember, they actually stay on until the next color comes along. So when it's black, there's nothing, and then when there's light, there's brightness, right? Which is really cool. Now, all of this 4K HDR is going through the box right now. So my Apple TV is connected to the Lytmi box, and it's coming through exactly as it was when I plugged it directly on the TV, which is something that I was really scared about because I really like my quality, and I was kind of worried that, you know, it was not going to look the same, but it looks exactly the same. The refresh rate is the same, the quality is the same. It's really awesome. Now, the downsides, we've realized that sometimes, right, every now and then, on the top and the bottom, whenever there's like different strong colors, there's sometimes like one or two flickers that happen that kind of like catch your attention, right? And it might stabilize or might need to reset it. I'm not too sure if it's just a one-off, but we saw in a few TV series that we just watched this evening that there was a little bit of a flicker sometimes, and it's kind of distracting. But for the most part, as you can see now live as I'm doing this, like it's incredibly, it just disappears, right? It's like an extension of a TV, but it disappears on the background. You barely notice it. You just know that there is more TV. The more you look at it, the better it gets, right? And now I'm gonna try and, like, fingers crossed if all goes well, I'm gonna try and like switch on the Xbox so I can actually show you guys how it looks when you play games on the Lytmi, because after all, this is what we're here for.